Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create your own cinematic border. So we are just going to use like any clip, and then we can either use like this black background and then go to mask and then select film strip and reverse that and then add keyframes here. So like here, add a keyframe at the beginning, and then like sort of in the middle you're going to want to pull this in a little bit to create this cinematic border effect. Let me just play it for you. If it is a little bit too slow, you can move the keyframe, so just drag it when it turns blue so the cinematic border goes in faster. Another way is just to delete that and then do it on the actual video because the background is already black. So go to film strip and then you are going to like put it up, add a keyframe, and then like in another bit pull it in, and then again maybe at the end you want to close it. So we're going to add a keyframe here, and then at the end I want to like close it. You can't do it fully though, so it's going to look a little bit awkward. I'm just going to tell you that right now. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!